Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI Studio login issues step by step in 2026. If you can't sign in, your account keeps redirecting, or you're seeing authentication errors, don't worry. We'll cover the most effective solutions. First, make sure you're using the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, log out of the ones you don't need and sign in again with the account that has access to Google AI Studio. Next, check your internet connection and refresh the page. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the login process. If the problem continues, restart your browser and try signing in again. Another common fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old browsing data can sometimes cause login conflicts. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. If you're still unable to sign in, open Google AI Studio in an incognito or private browsing window. This disables most browser extensions. If login works in incognito mode, one of your browser extensions is likely causing the problem. Disable extensions one at a time to identify the issue. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Google AI Studio works best with modern browsers such as Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Updating your browser can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. If your account requires two-factor authentication, complete the verification process correctly. Double-check that your system date and time are accurate, as incorrect settings can sometimes interfere with secure sign-ins. Finally, if none of these steps work, wait a few minutes and try again. Temporary server issues or maintenance can occasionally affect the login service. And that's how to fix Google AI Studio login issues in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials.